Okay, let me unmute. Garima, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I am unmuted.
Very good. Ansh Kumar, you also unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two students will remain unmuted so that I can have conversation. Actually, I was lying on my bed. Just now I saw that Islara has messaged me. Class is there. Just now I started classes by seeing Islara messages. Okay, no problem. Sometimes it happens.
And sir, you had also said in last class, in next class, we will do test of GSC. First chapter.
Yes. Of first chapter. Okay. For that, I need to prepare the question paper now. So tomorrow Sunday is there, so I'll try to make the question of chapter 1. After that, if it
Okay,
will
sir.
be
No.
completed, then I'll message. But by the way, all of you need to be ready with that. With chapter 1, all of you have to be ready. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me open the book. Now I have taken photos of all the pages of the book in a nice way. Now let me show you. Now let me open the book.
Sir, page 29. Muscles and
Yes, sir. Page
movement.
29.
Okay.
Muscles and movement. Muscles and movement.
Okay.
Cleanliness and hygiene. This number. Sir, this is not that chapter.
Okay. I am saying. $29. Okay.
Yes, sir. Muscles and movement.
Sir, page number 29.
Okay. And the true false, all of you have done or not? True false.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let us begin. First, let me make me confirm that is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? All of you are listening in a proper way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So true false, all of you can write. Okay, if you have not completed, the shoulder and hip joints have ball and socket joints. True. In our body, all the joints are movable. False. Femur is the longest bone in the body. True. The hip joint is a pivot. The hip joint is a pivot joint. False. The lower jaw enables us to talk and eat. True. Okay. So we have noted bit also about 30 facial muscles are at work when we frown, smile, look surprised or angry. See, when we smile, when we look surprised, when we whatever the facial muscles are there, they work. At work when we frown, smile, look surprised or angry. So this is extra knowledge. All of you need to learn this one also. This is extra knowledge. So muscle and movement. Today's page, the letters and the pictures, all are clear, visible now. All are visible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, photos I have taken with myself.
Yes, sir. All are perfectly visible.
Okay, so muscles and movement. Muscles are soft elastic fibers. Actually, muscles are soft elastic fibers like bands attached to the bones. Together with the bones, they help the body parts to move. Here you can see the pictures of muscles, biceps contracts, and arms move up. Here we have got the joint and triceps relax here. Without muscles, we would not be able to open our mouth, talk, wave hands, walk, laugh, blink, or even breathe. See, without muscles, we would not be able to open our mouth, talk, wave hands, walk, laugh, blink, or even breathe. In fact, the food we eat will move not through the digestive system without the help of muscles. Who has come? Garima. Concentrate here, Garima.
Okay, sir.
The muscles in our body contract and relax to do a task and produce movement. Most of them can do this because they are attached to bones. Muscles work in pairs. Muscles work in pairs. When the muscles shortens, it pulls the bone and so moves that part of the body. The human body has about 640 muscles. Underline this one. Underline. The human body has about 640 muscles, making up two-fifths of its total weight. See, 2/5 of total weight just because of muscles we have. Each muscle has a name. See, 640 muscles are there, and each muscle has a name. The biggest muscle is the gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus. The biggest muscles is the gluteus maximus. Underline, which is in the buttock. It pulls the thigh back as we walk, run, and jump. The smallest muscle is the stapedius. Underline this one also. The smallest muscle is the stapedius. Yeah, stapedius. Now open your book at page number 30. Stapedius, which is deep in the air. It is as thin as a cotton thread and helps to protect the ear from very loud noise. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers that is called tendons. Okay, muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers that is tendons. Underline this one also. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers that is called tendons. Types of muscles. Now we are going to study about the types of muscles.
Type of muscles.
Okay. The voluntary muscles are under our control and are attached to the skeleton. See, voluntary muscles. The voluntary muscles are under our control. Okay, the voluntary muscles are under our control and are attached to the skeleton. They are also known as skeletal muscles. So those muscles which are attached to our skeleton system, those muscles are called skeletal muscles. Okay, understood, Garima?
Yes, sir.
Those muscles which are attached to our skeletal system, they are called skeletal muscles. So underline from here, the voluntary muscles are under our control and are attached to the skeleton. They are also known as skeletal muscles. You underline. Then involuntary muscles. As the name suggests, the involuntary muscles are not under our control. Okay, as the name suggests, voluntary muscles are under our control, but involuntary muscles are not our under control. These muscles control actions such as the movement of food through the stomach and from the small intestine to the large intestine. Okay, you underline from here. These muscles means involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles control actions such as the movement of food through the stomach and from the small intestine to the large intestine or the flow of blood in the body. They are also called smooth muscles. Underlined from here to here. They are also called smooth muscles. Means involuntary muscles, you can say smooth muscles also. Cardiac muscles. Now this is third type of muscles, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles is a special muscle found only in the heart. You underline this one. Shatab, underline. Cardiac muscle is a special muscle found only in the heart. Are you listening, Shatab? Unmute yourself. Okay, is there any problem regarding voice clarity?
No, sir.
Did you underline, Garima? Cardiac muscle is a special muscle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our heart is actually a big muscle. Actually, our heart is a very big muscle. It is an involuntary muscle. Our heart is an involuntary muscle, which means it is not under our control and keeps breathing without us needing to think about it. Means heart is not our under control. Garima, voice is coming from your house, so I am going to mute you. Voice is coming. So Shetav Anand will remain unmuted and Ansh Kumar. See, it is an involuntary muscle, okay, which means it is not under our control and keep breathing, keep beating without us needing to think about it. Okay. The cardiac
Yes, sir.
muscle of the heart is responsible for contraction, the action that pumps blood through the body. So you underline from here to here, all are important. It is an involuntary muscle in heart. It means your heart. Heart is an involuntary muscle, which means it is not under our control and keeps beating without us needing to think about it. The cardiac muscle of the heart is responsible for contraction, the action that pumps blood through the body. Here you have been given an activity. For the given actions, write V if the muscles at work means voluntary. V stands for here voluntary. Okay, V stands for voluntary, and write I if it is involuntary. So that you need to do it clapping. Tell me it is voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary means that you can control things. So clapping we can control, clapping we can clap. So this is
Yes, sir.
Small letter. So you write V here. Everybody write V here. Then circulation of blood. Circulation of blood we can't control. Circulation of blood we cannot control. Okay, so that is I. Write I here. Thinking. Thinking also we can control. We can think whatever we can. Whatever we can, think.
Yes.
So you write V here. Absorption of fats by the body. This is also not in our control. So in number D, you write I here. Talking. Talking we can control. So write V here. V.
Sir,
Breathing.
breathing also control.
No. Breathing we cannot control. If you will try to control, you will not be able to control after 2 or 3 minutes. You can control for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Can you control breathing for 30 minutes, Shweta Bhanu?
No, sir.
Then how can you control breathing? If you will control for 30 minutes, anyone, if someone will control for 30 minutes, then his life or her life will be at risk. Now heartbeat is also not in our control, so you write I here. Okay. Okay, so this is a picture of smooth muscles and skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles. Now you have fill in the blank. The biggest muscle, gluteus maximus, that just now I have made you underline. I have made you underline this
The
one.
smallest muscle is
The stapedius.
stapedius.
Yes. Answer is written already. The smooth muscles is involuntary muscle. Okay, smooth muscle is involuntary muscle. You write everybody. Dharya, unmute yourself. Dharya. Dharya Singh, unmute yourself. Dharya Singh, unmute yourself. Shetav Anand, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I thought that my voice is not reaching to you because I am telling Dharya Singh to unmute.
Yes, sir.
You don't listen. Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Care of bones and muscles. How will you care your bones and muscles? Now, this is important. We need strong bones and muscles to do our work and play. We can make our bones and muscles strong and healthy in the following ways. What are the ways? That will come to know at page number 31. Page number 31. Page number 31 is here. Okay. Almost we are going to complete. Okay. We should, what is written here? Yeah, we should go out in the open because sunlight is the source of vitamin D, which helps to make our bones strong. So from sun we get vitamin D, but not all the time. Early in the morning, approximately at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., that kind of sun if you will get, so you will get vitamin D. We should take milk and its products like cheese, yogurt, and paneer every day. These food items are rich in calcium and vitamin D. They help to make our bones strong. So if you eat these kind of things, so your strong will become your bone will become strong. Sorry, your bone will become strong. So you can underline also these things. We should take milk and its products like cheese, yogurt, and paneer every day. These food items are rich in calcium and vitamin D. They help to make our bones strong. We should also eat protein rich foods like eggs, pulses, fish, and meat.
And meat.
Cereals, fruits, green vegetables, and milk make our muscles grow. We should do regular exercise for proper development of muscles. This helps our bones and muscles to work smoothly. Okay. One fact
Yes,
is
sir.
given here. That fact also you need to read out. Bones
Bones
heal
heal
naturally.
naturally after
After fracture, new bone cells formed help to heal the broken part. A cast or brace,
cast or
brace
brace
only ensures that
ensure
the
that
healing
the
is straight.
is straight.
Okay, very important things is written. Now come here. We are going to study about the posture. Posture is the position of our body in which we sit, stand, or move. So this is the definition of posture. What is posture? You underline from there. Posture is the position of our body in which we sit, stand, or move. Islairaj, unmute yourself. Akanksha, unmute yourself. Okay, any problem?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Why you people have raised your hand? I thought that you are going to ask. Okay, so this is the definition of posture. If someone will ask you what is posture, so you have to say this one. Posture is the position of our body in which we sit, stand, or move. Okay, this is the definition of posture. Our body should be straight when we sit or stand. Bad posture may lead to pain in the head, neck, shoulder, back, knee, hip, foot, and body stiffness, or any other joints diseases. Correct posture improves firmness and flexibility of the muscles. It makes us look smart and fit. So always be in a good posture. This is a good posture. This is poor posture. This is poor posture. Okay. So this is a recap. Recap means the important things what we have studied in this book. So this is the recap. Recap is the same things what we have studied. Understood, everyone? Are you listening, Shwetab?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Recap, all of you need to read by yourself. Whatever we have studied so far, the main things are given in that. In the recap. Means the skeletal system is a framework of bones that gives shape and support to our body. The skeletal system consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, two pairs of limbs, and the girdles. The skull protects the brain. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. The heart and the lungs are protected by the rib cage.
The heart
These are the
and
important.
lungs by protected by the rib cage.
Okay, so
Two pairs of ribs joint are the meeting point of two bones. There are four types of movable joints in our body: hinge joint and ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. We must eat healthy, exercise, and maintain good posture to care for our bones and muscles.
okay, so in our next class, we will start at the given time. Today I was late for 10 to 15 minutes, but in the next class we will not be late. In the next class, we will complete the exercises, fill in the blanks, true, false, question and answer, and all those things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today till here only. Okay, bye everybody. I have unmuted to all of you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,